The 1952 MG TA Roadster, cream over red, 48,000 actual miles on this car, upgraded to LED lighting, which, is people don't think about very often in classic car world. Some of these cars are very difficult to see at night.
And I have cars from the 90s that are tough to see. I mean, lights have come a long way.
They've come a whole long way. And not only the headlights, but the tail lights even more so.
Yeah.
Because somebody's coming in up, hot on your tail, and they don't see you, or it looks so small that they think you're further ahead than you are. And the depth perception kind of gets...
That's important with a car like this, because it's a tiny car.
Yeah, you get run over by this, and you're going to know it.
Yeah.
This had it has a 1250cc inline four, rebuilt SU carbs, new top and tonneau cover, and a 4-speed manual, which in 1952 was kind of interesting, a 4-speed manual.
Sure.
There weren't quite as many most of them were 3-speed if they were manual, and the 4-speed with MG did kind of change the marketplace a little bit.
Which is why so many of them became race cars. I mean, really hobby race cars.
You know who drove one on their, who drove one on their honeymoon?
You?
Yeah, no. JFK and Jackie.
Oh, that's right.